Wine is always good, no, Johnny?
Yes, yes, it's always good.
But the other day we went to see Rosario in Reposto with you and me and
Orazio,
Orazio,
right?
and we picked up some tuna.
Yes.
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 And the tuna recipe is an old recipe from Orazio's grandmother and
right.
mother.
And mother.
Yeah.
Both of them would make it.
Yes.
For
And
him.
it's very simple. It was just caramelized onions,
Yeah.
and Orazio calls it browned onions,
Yes.
and then seared tuna, tuna steaks,
Right.
and then you put the onions back in on top,
Right.
and then you add vinegar.
Yes. The key.
Close the lid?
That's the key.
Yes.
Orazio says
Yeah,
is
the
to
key.
add
The vinegar.
any kind of vinegar.
Yeah.
But we added a special kind of vinegar.
Yeah.
Which we will show you at the end.
It wasn't a wine vinegar; it was
No.
a mother vinegar or
Yeah,
whatever
apple
it was.
cider
So,
vinegar with mother.
and then we made it. Ciao. You brothers, yes, yeah, say. Joe, we got orange here.
Depois este vecchio. Depois este vecchio.
Buongiorno.
77.
See the fava beans, Joe? Yeah.
Ah, lovely. Look at that. Fava. That's in season now.
Good.
Okay.
And tomatoes. Pomodoro.
Sì, c'è un figlio che sta per la prezza. Quanto è?
6 euro.
6, 6.
6 euro, John. I don't. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Lui è grande. A posto, ci portiamo, ciao, vedo. C'è una villetta.
Ah, Rosario.
Welcome.
Succhi della maglia. Succhi della maglia. Mr. John, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Buongiorno.
La maglia, ammagliate.
La manaida.
La manata, sì.
Ma su che ci vedi?
Ma tu, ma.
Io non so passato.
No! Non gioca ancora. Poi ti chiamo io. Io quella volta ti avevo chiamato perché non l'ho.
Ah, sì?
La volta che mi chiamai. E tu mi
Io non c'ero.
perché lui non c'era, no?
Non c'ero.
For
I just
today,
called.
if I want to make a little fish today,
Yeah?
for do they shrimp fresh?
No, frozen.
Frozen. Ah.
This is frozen.
Okay. What the?
Then next.
How about this small?
It's got anchovy for
Are these fresh? Yeah, I can make in a pan, no? They're ground. Maybe two.
Because two is coming before.
What's that?
Va bene, due che mi devi vendere
Yeah.
così.
Two like this
Due grandi,
and the
due
cut
grandi,
Yeah, yeah.
due belle grandi che devono vendere.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Perfect.
So what you do is
600 grams.
Okay.
we fry brown the onion
Yes. Okay.
and fry.
Okay. Salt, pepper, or?
Yeah, a little hot pepper. When it's ready, put the onion back in. And then put a spoonful or 2 spoonfuls of vinegar and cover for a few minutes. Then ready
Okay. Perfect. All right. We'll do that.
parsley.
Yes. This tuna, Rosario. This tuna is from here.
From here, see?
From here, yes.
Because now it's coming little.
Ah,
Another month it's coming the big.
Anche se ora ti dicono, sai, che il tonno non è più buono.
Questo ti
Si è malato.
No, questo ti perché ogni tanto si matchano tonno, cucuttoni.
Sì.
Today, we went to see Rosario at the fish market. Look at that tuna. Fresh caught today. Unbelievable. It's very simple recipe. Oh, unbelievable. Just smells fantastic.